Say peekaboo. Say I'm watching you.
Give him a kiss, Brayden.
Give Jax a kiss. Uh-oh. Brayden, can you give Jax a kiss? Give him a big kiss. Go, mwah.
Give him kissy kissy.
Kiss, kiss.
Say kissy kissy.
Sure, Fred and Justin will be like, why are you making them kiss? They're boys.
I know, I hate when they say that.
Kissy kissy.
Brayden, give Jax a kiss. Give the baby a kiss.
Oh, I gave Grandma a kiss. Jackson gives French kisses. We're like,